Welcome to my channel Fun and Learn with Aryan. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make a cool image like this using Python Turtle. Like this. So, to get started on our image, you'll be going to need to go to like a Python system, like PyCharm, for example. In PyCharm, you'll have to enter this code. I will explain it to you step by step on how this works. What you want to do first is open a new file on Python projects. Once you're there, you need to enter the following code. First, you want to enter import turtle. By the way, this video is meant for kids. If you're bored this summer, then make sure to click this and you can discover something fun to do instead of scrolling all day. Okay, so first you want to enter import turtle. After that, you'll want to press import color system. So skip a line and then import turtle. T is equal to turtle, and make sure a very important thing in this program is after turtle, enter a parentheses. Nothing inside of it, just a parentheses. After that, stay tuned because at the end I will be showing you how this code works. After that, you want to make another variable. S is equal to turtle.screen, and then add another one of those parentheses that are blank. After that, enter s.bgcolor, which is basically background color. In parentheses, don't leave it blank this time. This time, enter / black and inside of it. It's very important you add these thingies. I don't know what they're called, but you have to add them. After that, skip a line and enter t.speed is equal to 1. If you want yours to go more slowly, your animation, then feel free to adjust this number. If you want it to go faster, turn it to 0. If you want it to go slower and smoother, change it to a higher number. After that, enter turtle.tracer 5/0 and enter that in parentheses. This will make it go more smoother and faster. After that, skip a line and make a variable called n is equal to 70. This is very important. After that, make a variable called h and make that equal to 0. For I in range, next you have to enter for I in range, which is going to be 360, and make sure to include this colon. Next, indent your next line and enter C, which is equal to color system dot HSV, and make sure you don't press space. Instead, you need to give this underscore to underscore RGB. It will make your animation look like this. Like this. Cool, right? At the end of this video, you can also be able to make that exact thing. After that, go to PyCharm and then go to h plus is equal to 1/n. And make sure you indent all of these. It doesn't really matter, but it's better if you do. Next, in the next line, enter t.color, and then in the parentheses, put C. After that, put t.left, and again, in parentheses, enter 1. After that, enter t.fd, and again, in parentheses, enter 1. After that, enter for j in range, in the parentheses, enter 2. After that, indent the thing 2 times and put t.left in parentheses. After that, add 2. After that, put t.circle in parentheses, add 90. after you finish your code and get your circle, feel free to adjust this number. It is basically the size of your circle. I will show you what happens at the end if you put 1000. Trust me, it gets very glitchy. Next, skip a line and put down turtle.update in parentheses and enter one of those blank parentheses again. After that, enter turtle.done. This finishes your code. Okay, now once you have everything, let's see how it turns out. So to run it, click this button. Let's see how it comes out. It's gonna run now. Yeah. It's gonna run. I think it might. 1 minute. Yeah, see? Make sure you put it in full screen mode. It gradually draws your circle, which is very cool, right? It changes the hues and draws the circle every single time and changes the angles. That is how this code works. The turtle, you can see there's a little arrow over here that's going in circles. It gradually draws the circles one by one and changes its angle. That's what the left was for. If you do all of the code right, you'll get a beautiful circle like mine. And as you can see, it looks like a 3D donut. And it looks like a goofy shape. It's like a donut. So now I'll show you what will happen if you adjust your code. So remember I was talking about this? So now I'll change it to 1000. I'll just change it to 1000, 10,000. It's okay. And I'll run this. Yeah, no, this is just insane. This is cool. Dang. This looks like when in Star Wars you go light speed. It looks like that. It's cooler. Whoa. This code goes on forever and ever. So make sure you stop it or else it'll run forever. This was part 1 of my series where I'll teach you how to code in Python. We'll be making a calculator, a couple of games, animations using Turtle, and much more. At the end, we'll even make working plane games like a plane, Fortnite, or even like a Minecraft. We can make Minecraft. Stay tuned. I'll be posting a video every single week. And I might even post one 2 times a week. I'll check out my channel and make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys.